Have you ever wanted to have your broken things fixed? Well, now you can, thanks to Typhomask. Magic!
It'll work now, thank.
Now here are our happy customers!
He fixed my Leggy that broke.
Wow.
They fixed my scooter.
They even fix this guy's problems in life by helping him kill himself.
Hey guys, what up? Yes, I'm not dead. But yeah guys, today, as you can see, this TV, they sat on it and they were really fat. Not me, shut up. Don't post that please, not again. Okay, but yeah guys, someone sat on the TV, it broke, and I got my TV specialist that tripped on the camera.
Yeah.
His name is Balak Jing.
Everyone knows me. I'm the guy.
No, they don't know you. Okay.
Yeah, I'm praying to read it now.
Alright, so, do you know how to fix this TV? Because I have no clue.
Yeah.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Alright, first, I actually need to get
Wait.
something like this.
Okay. So, come
Something
on.
like this.
You want to get in the camera. Okay.
First, you need something like this, right?
Okay, wait. Don't we need to work on the back first, though? So that's where we get all the wires and components.
Alright.
Okay. Sorry, guys. His hands actually don't work, so I can't pick up a TV.
No, I broke my hand.
Yeah, very sad.
First thing you want to do, you want to hit it in the back.
Wait. What do you mean hit it?
Well, you gotta get a screwdriver and you gotta get an axe or something like that. And you gotta take it out.
Wait. I have a screwdriver. Is this a screwdriver?
No, we're gonna need something like this. See that little stick right there?
Okay. Alright, come on. Huh. So, wait, how's that? Wait, are you trying to get to the wire?
Yeah. Let me see that.
Oh, okay.
Hand there.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I remember, guys, this could easily catch on fire.
Safety always first.
Yes. Safety first. Sorry, guys.
But if it don't work, you gotta hit it one time.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Wait, ow. Don't stick anything on metal in there. Okay, look. It's plugged in, guys.
Oh, yeah.
So we just gotta take it out.
Yeah.
We don't have a knife. Okay, we're getting somewhere.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, there we go.
There we go. Now it won't electrocute us, guys. Safety first, you know? Okay.
See, once you get that done,
Okay.
you gotta do this. You gotta get right.
Okay. Whoa, are you sure this is working? It seems like you're just breaking it.
No, it's still working.
Okay.
So now what you got that
Okay. We have to show the audience. Okay, audience. So, as you can see, right here is the Raspberry Pi. Right here.
Okay, right there's the data center, right there.
Well, that's the Raspberry Pi.
No, watch out. Alright, watch out. And then, just drop it.
Alright, wait, drop it?
No, you gotta set it down nicely.
What? Alright, wait, so you sure this is gonna fix the screen? Because that's what we had to fix.
Yeah.
Wait, are you sure we had to fix it? Yeah, we do. Well, we knew that, guys. We're certified.
Keep on hitting it.
Okay.
Actually, you wanna hit us a bit?
Oh, yeah. Wait, so it's simple?
Yeah, just get the hammer and just
Like this?
that. Yeah.
Oh, wait. I hit it right here. Is this okay? Wait, why didn't we just...
Wait a minute.
Wait, there's screws in this? What?
Let me see that hatch.
Are you sure about... Wait, I thought...
And then if you have a hatch like this, you gotta use that end, right?
Okay.
And then we go pop.
Okay. Okay, guys. Oh, now you're probably like, well, why are you doing this? This is to get...
Watch your hand.
This is to get to the wire. Oh, that's good. There we go. Okay.
See, and then
Yeah, I'm
you're
actually
gonna see
an
something. You're gonna
expert.
see 3 numbers.
I'm actually an expert on glass, but I've never seen this tactic before. Okay.
All you gotta do.
Okay. I actually do. How about we move the camera?
How
How about we move the camera a little closer?
Hey guys,
Okay.
You might notice,
Okay.
you always been on me. Check out my channel, Pro Gamer. Just,
No one cares about your TV.
I don't care. It's a TV channel.
Okay. Wait.
Wait, do we need to fix the screen now?
Yeah. Don't worry,
you said you
guys.
work on the back.
Are you? Oh yeah, the motherboard.
Yeah, no, we
that-
gotta get out.
Oh, yeah, we got it right there.
There we go.
Oh,
And see,
where's
look,
your safety goggles?
I don't
Safety
need-
third. Safety third, Alex.
I don't need safety goggles. Yeah, bust through the frame
Dude,
right
what?
here.
Wait, I think we need a screwdriver. Dude, we need the screwdriver. One sec. Okay.
I don't need no screwdriver.
Move. Yes, we do. We always need screwdriver.
No, we don't.
Come on, boyo. Come on.
I have an axe.
Yeah, don't worry, guys. It's dull, so it works. Okay, looking pretty good. Okay, so as you can see right here, the motherboard, dude, I think we found the problem. Some dummy dented the back of the screen. Boy, Alex, we found the problem. Some dummy dented the back of the screen. Dude, they're so stupid.
Yeah, I know. Guys, we might cut here and get the frame rate off and take it in. We might.
Okay, Alex. Remember, dude, get your safety glasses on, bro.
Yo,
Okay, guys. Now for the most important part. We need to fix the
I
screen.
bought my safety glasses, guys. It's still good though. They still can fit.
Yeah, because I don't know why they wouldn't. Okay. All right, move back. I think I know how to fix the screen. Okay. Okay. So as you can see right here, see how this part is broken. Okay, and right here is also broken. And right here is also broken. So remember, guys, we don't want to break any other part of this. Okay, guys, now.
Exactly.
Look at me. We don't want to break any other part, because if we do, we'll have to pay. Hey, Al, what are you doing?
You're fixing the screen.
Dude, some stupid dummy broke the glass. Who would do that, guys?
Now, okay. So
That's just stupid.
yo, but remember, guys, do not try this at home. Legit.
Yes,
do
because,
not
because if you
like
do,
do not try
like,
this at home because we are using
you
real.
don't have a TV. You don't have a person TV.
We
man.
are really using real hatchets and everything like that.
Okay.
Ty's poor, so Ty's like weird, so he not poor. He's weird, so he has
Okay. A screwdriver.
Yeah, we have a screwdriver apparently.
Yeah.
Apparently that's Ty's way of having a screwdriver.
Wait, dude. I think we need another tool. Okay. Alec, you entertain them. Okay, just do a dance or something while I go get the other tool.
I was not loud at all.
Dance!
No!
Puppet!
No!
That hurt my feelings.
Yeah, I know it is.
Okay. Alec! Dude,
I did it.
guess
Oh,
what?
that's exact,
Dude, I found
guys.
a
Look.
flathead screwdriver,
Yeah, guys, that's like the
Look at the
exact.
flathead screwdriver. Alec, move back. Okay, Alec, remember, scoot back. Alec, your safety goggles fell off.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry about my safety goggles.
Ugh.
The camera keeps falling. Holy crap.
All right. Maybe the audience is controlling it. Okay.
Yeah, probably. Maybe the honest is controlling it.
Okay, wait. Okay, I got it. There. Alec, that's good.
There we go.
Okay, Alec, remember, put on your safety goggles. Okay, now.
Alright, I'll be back.
Time for the flathead screwdriver.
No, but you got the freaking wrong one.
What?
We got the
I
wrong
got the
one.
wrong flathead screwdriver,
We got
guys.
the wrong one.
I can't believe this.
Yo, we got the wrong one.
Guys, look. Hey, here's the real one.
This is the real one, guys.
Dude, we're so stupid, man.
Alright, move that flathead.
Oh, yeah. Wait. Then what's that one? Is that just a round tip?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Makes sense, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you need to grab it. You need to... Where? Oh.
See, look. Alright, see, guys, look. That one didn't break. That's... Wait, Alec.
Yeah.
Some dummy filled it with dirt. Alec, wait. Alec, look. We're getting to this another problem. Some dummies freaking dented the back of it and the front. Who freaking did that, guys?
We gotta go to the
Who would do that?
back of the thing.
Oh, yeah. We had to go to the back of the thing now.
And then I gotta get to the plier cutters.
Yes, the
So we
plier
have wire?
cutters, yes, because that's what they're called.
Yeah, exactly. I know tools.
Yes, we both did.
Yeah.
And my goggles are not fogging up, shut up. Okay. Dude, the flathead broke. See, guys? Alright, look, this is why you never use a flathead, okay? Alec, move! Whoa, I'm dropping it!
Oh,
Whoops! Well,
Those keep on falling off.
that freaking friggity sucks, guys. Oh my goodness.
Yo, that car's gonna walk by and we're gonna be freaking smashing them.
What else? Wait, Alex.
I'm fixing
Oh, what's
TV.
that, guys? Alex, you want us to get canceled for the 5th time? You don't want to get canceled.
Yo, like, what up? What up?
Hey, you need a TV stick?
Yo, we fixed the TV. Got that. That's $6 price.
Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Okay.
Yo, where's the other tool?
The screwdriver? Like that?
Where's the hatchet?
The hatch? I don't know. Where'd you put the hatchet?
I found a
Oh,
hatchet.
there it is. Oh, okay, guys. Now we have to take the screen off. Now, do you guys know how
Watch
to
out.
take the screen off?
See, no, look, guys, look. See, look right there. Right in there. That's not off. You have to get off.
Yes. Remember, guys, this is a long, tedious task, and I do know what tedious means.
You have to be very careful with every bit of tool.
Yes, because if you're not careful, you might dent it like some dummies who didn't found somehow dented it and then like fixed the flat. I don't know. I think.
Sorry, if you wanna take the camera off the thing real quick. The camera off. Yeah, you pick it up real quick.
Okay.
Just video what I'm doing right here, cause I'm a trained technician.
Yes. He is an extreme technician, and he is not just some little kid I found in a bus stop.
Yeah, I'm just not no little kid found in the sewer. I'm not Georgie from It.
You're not.
No.
Oh, one sec, guys. One sec. What do you mean?
You said you were freaking Georgie.
Oh, okay, guys. Sorry about that little cut. All right, I'm not gonna lie. That's actually looking pretty good, man. Let me just set you guys down right there. Okay, now. Here,
Hey, remember, guys, if you don't have safety goggles, just find glasses.
Just wing it. I mean, yeah, find glasses.
If you don't have glasses anywhere, just get an axe and just look away while you're doing it. Try not to cut off your foot like I almost just did. You need to fix the camera.
What's wrong with it?
It's not showing me hitting it. There you go. There you go. See this part of the screen, guys?
Wait. Did you say hitting it? I thought you knew how to fix the TV.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Fixing the TV right now. See, guys, and then Ty, if you want to come here, I'll show you what you got to do.
Okay.
Real quick.
Got you, boyo.
See,
I want to move the
look.
flathead.
Just wait. If you listen very closely, you can hear.
If you listen very closely.
Yeah, I know how to grab it.
Yes.
If you listen very closely, see these there's be two batteries in here, right here, right?
Okay, I see.
here?
I see.
Get your axe or get a screwdriver
Okay.
and just cut them off. You don't need them.
Okay. Oh, okay. Well, I have a question. What about these little doohickeys right here?
What doohickeys?
Let me show.
Wait a minute. What?
These doohickeys.
What?
No, let me show you. I look. See this doohickey right here,
Yeah, that
guys.
doohickey right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on. We need these for it.
Jesus. Hey, remember, guys, if your safety goggles ever break,
Yeah.
then just stop
Dang it.
what you're doing. Okay.
In these?
I think we need to take off the screen. I think that's the problem.
No, not yet.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, why's my name on here? That's actually pretty cool.
That's weird.
Look,
Yeah. Try.
it says that's the location. That's pretty cool. I want to live in town.
It'd be nice.
Okay, now, guys.
And then you get these things. And just take them off. You don't need them. Like they really see, guys.
Oh, dang it, dude, the camera shut off. Dude. My viewers are so stupid, they think we actually know how to fix TVs.
Yeah.
Oh crap, it's on. Hey, dude, do you know how to edit videos?
Yeah.
You do? You sure?
Be an editor.
Okay, good. Cause just edit that part out. Cause I don't want
Didn't
any
that
of
like
those
Jordan
retards.
guy die? Didn't he get like shot or something?
What Jordan guy?
Like that didn't like Jeff or something his name was like and he got died.
Oh, his name was Beffrey, I think.
Yeah.
Beverly, it was something like
I
that.
think it was Jeffrey.
No. I think it was Beverly. Actually.
Comment down below if you remember the name.
Yeah, cause I
Oh, he
actually
died.
don't know.
He died.
Okay.
I want to hashtag Rip Beverly in the comments below.
Yes, guys. Okay, so now time.
Wait, no, we're not doing this.
Screen.
See.
Stop. Move.
No.
I'm trying to show them how to fix the screen. Okay. Okay, guys. Hey, you see this part right here? Do not need this part. We didn't even need that. And we didn't need the screen either. Screen.
Alright, guys.
That was just a stupid part. No one knows, you know?
Just to let you know, guys. Don't play with glass. Literally don't play with glass.
Hey, what? Hey, no, I'm sorry. Oh. Get the camera! Run! Come on, guys.